I'm with Stephen and Scott, if you can see over there. Yeah man, we out here. We're in London End. Right now we're stuck in traffic. We out here. Jeez. That's it. Right, what's going on YouTube today? What we're doing is we're in London right now. Stephen's behind me, right there. We've got Kelly again. He's been filming a little bit in the car. We've got Scott and Alexis. We've just parked up over here, and what we're doing is we're basically car spotting. So we've seen some pretty awesome cars so far. Hopefully we're going to get the montage. Kelly's brought his Osmo out and getting some really cool steady shots. So I think we may get some slow-mo if we can find some cars actually doing stuff while they're actually moving. Huh? Oh, look at this lighting. That's what's it. That's what good light. Shop window lighting is like the best.
Oh mate, this is my heart, mate. Come right.
Hey old bigger.
I'm just getting Versace. Urban Automotive SVR, mate. Look at that.
Yo, it's even got the badge. Yo. Yo. So I bet those guys know each other. Hey, it's back to back. It's crazy. How was your journey, Scott?
It was a nightmare. They closed Vauxhall Bridge. Had to take a massive detour.
I can't believe you got him before you.
Yeah, you beat me in. You took the...
Dude, I was going like 20.
Oh, I was loud.
Do you mind?
I'm trying to block you.
Yeah. He's gonna fly off though, you know he is. Jesus. Here we go. I told you. This is where Riff Raff works. Dolce & Gabbana. That's dope.
Are you ready to see?
Diversion ends. So right now we're rolling up to probably one of my favourite car brands. McLaren. Yo. One day I'll be back. What? That's dope. Guess what? Guess what? So this is Harrods for you people not from England. Oh, 17. Go on. Pulling up to the Dorchester Hotel, and generally it's known for all the cars parked outside. Have a look at this. what's going on, guys. I didn't really finish the video. I've just got home, been driving back from London. It was a really good time. We saw some awesome cars. I know it's a bit of a different vlog. I'm just trying to mix it up a little bit. I know not many people who watch this are probably going to be into cars, but I really enjoy cars. I like them a lot. Just thought I'd go up with my mates because it's something they do, really. But yeah, I had a lot of fun. It was awesome seeing some of those amazing cars. The money people spend on those things are absolutely ridiculous. It was just one of those nights where it's sort of spare at the moment, last minute, let's go up and just do something a bit different, which is what it was, and it was a lot of fun. It was definitely interesting, to say the least. We drove around London, saw some absolutely amazing cars, very rare cars as well. I've also got my mate's powerlifting meet on Sunday, so that's going to be interesting with a few of my gym mates. So if you guys are looking forward to that, smash the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my social media too if you haven't already. Hit that bell button also if you're new. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned.